Howdy tubers! Well, just started this for the first time. Well, first time on this airplane. I started it probably 20 years ago. No, probably longer than that ago. And I didn't know if it would run or not because it had been sitting that long after having fuel in it. But I would imagine that I had ran avgas in it, which is what's in there now, 100 load lead. And it's running. Buddy Matt said he was going to pray that it ran. Well, his prayers worked. Tied down to the fan there a little bit. Let's see, when I started I had to reach for the throttle to slow it down a little bit, but this is the first time I've added any throttle. Let me get behind it a little bit here. Get this, so I don't suck this into it. And maybe I better move that phone. It might suck that up there too. Alrighty. Well, it runs. Thank you, Matt, for the prayers. Let's see. Well, we'll just see how it starts up. I'm going to put my glove on. Although this has got electronic ignition. Let me put the phone down here. By the way, this is a Zenoa 74 twin. After this, they came out with an 80. But when I bought this, well, probably been like 85 or something like that. The guy had already put ignition on it, but had never put it in anything or never flew it. Okay, so let's see. Well, it does run. So there you go, and thank you, Matt, and God bless.